Amy Slayton has never been one to shy away from change, but fans are still in disbelief as rumors swirl that the 1000 LB Sisters star might already be using her new fiancé Brian's last name. Just months after going public with their relationship, and shortly after news of their engagement rocked the fanbase, eagle-eyed viewer believe they've caught Amy dropping a huge clue, a name switch that could signal she's emotionally and mentally all in on this whirlwind romance. Is Amy now Amy Halterman no more? Is she moving on from her past faster than anyone could have imagined? Is this name change just a cute gesture or a serious commitment to a man who, until recently, was a complete mystery to fans? The drama around Amy's love life has never been quiet, and her emotional rollercoaster journey through marriage, motherhood, divorce, and dating has kept 1000 LB Sisters viewer glued to their screens. Her ex-husband Michael Halterman may have been a safe choice back in the day, but their love eventually fizzled out in the public eye. The couple's divorce came after months of speculation, and by the time it was confirmed, fans were already guessing who Amy might date next. Then came Brian, a quiet, somewhat mysterious figure who slowly but surely made his way into Amy's heart, her home, and now possibly her legal identity. What first sparked the rumor? It all began with a subtle yet jaw-dropping moment on one of Amy's recent social media posts. While casually filming a light-hearted clip with her kids, eagle-eyed fans noticed a monogrammed kitchen sign in the background that read, "The B-letter family." Some say it was Brian's last name initial, while others speculated it could be a nod to a new beginning. Comment sections exploded with curious viewers wondering if Amy had not only gotten engaged, but had already taken Brian's last name without a word. While she hasn't made an official announcement, the clues are piling up, and it's got the fanbase buzzing with questions. Close friends of Amy have hinted at how serious things are between her and Brian. One insider reportedly told sources that Amy feels like she's known Brian forever, and feels more secure with him than she ever did with Michael. These words ring loud considering how cautious Amy was about entering a new relationship so soon after her divorce. But Brian, it seems, brought a sense of peace and excitement she hadn't felt in years. Not only has he bonded with Amy's two sons, Gage and Glenn, but he's reportedly already playing a strong role in co-parenting. That emotional bond may explain why Amy is comfortable enough to consider such a bold move, one that carries both personal and public weight. A name isn't just a name for someone in the spotlight. Amy's identity has always been tightly woven into the show and her online brand. From social media bios to promotional materials, Amy Slayton has been a name associated with a powerful story of transformation. To even subtly begin using another last name suggests she's ready to redefine her journey again, this time with Brian by her side. And while it may not be legally official yet, fans believe Amy is signaling that in her heart, she already sees herself as part of his family, but not everyone is thrilled. Some fans are worried that Amy is moving too fast. Comment threads are filled with questions like, why the rush? And, is Brian really the one? After all, Amy's history has been filled with emotional ups and downs, and some viewers worry that she's diving headfirst into another situation that may not be as solid as it appears. Critics have pointed to Brian's mysterious past, noting that very little is known about his background, previous relationships, or even his employment. While Amy gushes about how supportive and kind he is, skeptics say that love bombing early on in a relationship can be dangerous. Is Amy blinded by romance, or is she finally finding the kind of love she always deserved? The speculation about the name change has also stirred debates about the impact on Amy's children. Gage and Glenn have grown up on camera, with the world watching as their mother faced significant changes in her personal life. From navigating postpartum struggles to enduring a messy public breakup, Amy's life has been anything but private. Now, as Brian steps further into their lives, some fans wonder what role he'll officially play. If Amy is already using his last name in private, will the boys adopt it too? Could a blended family be forming quicker than expected? There's also the question of timing. With Amy's recent surge in popularity following her weight loss journey and viral social media posts, any change to her name could signal a larger rebranding effort. Is Amy looking to build a new identity both personally and professionally? Her fans have always supported her growth, from her early struggles with obesity to her inspiring moments of self-care and independence. Adopting Bryan's last name, whether on paper or just in spirit, might be her way of drawing a line between her old life and her new chapter. It's worth noting that Amy has always been someone who wears her heart on her sleeve. Whether she's crying tears of frustration or laughing uncontrollably with her sister Tammy, Amy's emotions are front and center. So if she feels that deeply connected to Bryan, it's not surprising she might want to reflect that in every part of her life, including her name. For someone who's been through so much, finding love again could be her biggest victory yet. Still, the question remains, is this a real name change, or just playful affection? Fans have pointed out that couples often joke about last names in the early stages of love. Mrs. His last name might appear in text messages or flirty captions long before anything legal is filed. It could be Amy's way of dreaming out loud, imagining a future with Bryan as her forever partner. But given her history of openness and vulnerability, it's just as likely she's already made up her mind. Family reactions are another mystery. Tammy Slaton, Amy's sister and co-star, hasn't publicly commented on the name change rumors. However, in past interviews and episodes, Tammy has made it clear that she wants the best for her sister, even if she doesn't always agree with her choices. Fans are watching closely for any signs of tension or celebration from the rest of the Slaton family. Will they welcome Bryan fully into the fold? Or will Amy's decision cause friction behind the scenes? Some fans believe Amy is reclaiming her narrative after a difficult few years. Her marriage to Michael may have started off hopeful, but it ended in court documents and public fallout. By adopting a new last name, even unofficially, Amy could be signaling a fresh start. This is her chance to rewrite her story, to step into a role that feels right, on her terms. And for someone who's had so much of her life dictated by others, whether doctors, producers, or family, that freedom may be worth everything. For now, Amy hasn't confirmed anything officially. But the signs are there, the changed decor, the social media hints, the shift in energy. Whether or not the name change is legal, emotional, or just symbolic, one thing is clear, Amy Slaton is evolving again. And just like before, her fans are watching, waiting, and hoping she finds the happiness she's been chasing for so long. The love story of Amy and Bryan is still unfolding, and no one knows exactly where it's headed. But if she's already using his last name, even just around the house, it's safe to say her heart has made its choice. In a world where everything Amy does is scrutinized and analyzed, she's reminding everyone that love doesn't follow rules or timelines. Sometimes it happens fast, sometimes it feels right from the start. And maybe, just maybe, Amy Slaton is finally becoming the person she was always meant to be. Not just Amy Slaton, not just the 1000 LB Sisters star, but Amy, strong, fearless, loved, and possibly, Amy, Bryan's last name. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.